we can see how we can remove element specific element from the array in JavaScript using ECMAScript. So in ECMAScript we can do very less code. So see how we can implement in ECMAScript for removing a specific element. Now we can just here change filter and return should not here, and curly braces is over. So we can see that only array data and filter and elements and equal greater sign, and only this code is endless code in ECMAScript. Now we can compile and check, run this JS file demo.js. So that's it. We have actual array 1 5 10 and we remove fifth, means we got all record which is not in 5. So ECMAScript is need to very less code comparing to previous addition fifth and all code in JavaScript. So that's it.